Hey everybody, it's Milsurp Monday, and today I have four unboxings to do in one video. These are all military memorabilia from the World War II era. And for starters, I'm opening up the biggest box, and this is an ammo can actually. It's a Russian Finnish capture ammo can for the SG-43 automatic machine gun, or machine gun, select fire machine gun. So it actually says SA on it, which is kind of cool. I don't know if you can all see that. But this held basically a belt of 250 rounds. 7.62 by 54 millimeter to accommodate the SG-43 machine gun, which the Russians used during World War II. I don't know if the Finns got a hold of any of them. They probably had them too. I mean, this came from Finland, Russian capture, so yeah, it's got that smell. That distinct milsurp smell. I don't know. It's kind of smells like oil, and I don't know how to describe it. It smells like a submarine. Actually, when I was a kid, the first experience with submarines was the USS Ling submarine in Passaic, New Jersey. I'll never forget it. And ever since that, I've been a fanatic of submarines. But this is pretty neat. I thought it'd be neat to have something to go along with my Finnish Mosins. Yeah, even still has the leather strap. So pretty cool. Yeah. So put that aside. Moving on. We have, I believe this box actually contains a medal from the Pacific Theater, U.S. Navy. I might be wrong. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. If not, we'll find out what's in here. So, let's try to do this without cutting my hand. Yeah, that's what this is. Cool. Okay. Let's put this aside. So this is a garrison cap, a U.S. Navy Medical Corps bullion oak leaf patch, and Pacific campaign medal as well. So, good little find on eBay. I don't think the cap, I don't know if there's any relationship between the original owner of the cap and the medals, possibly, but there's no claim to that, and the cap actually has the name of the owner's last name is Washington. But the initials JS Washington. So it's kind of neat. You see the initials right here, JSW, and then inside here is this Washington JS. So it's kind of neat. And then here. Is taped up here nicely. Oh, I can just tear this open. All right, there we go. Okay. So the oak leaf, I tried to do a little research on this, and really where this came about, when this all started, back in the 1830s, there were some, they started using the oak leaf as a symbol, and not in this form, but why the oak leaf? It's a mystery. If somebody knows, please comment. But this is what the U.S. Navy Medical Corps wore and still wear to this day. So there you have that. And this right here is the American campaign. Pacific. You can see on the back it says United States of America, 1941 to 1945. So the recipient of this served in the Pacific during World War II, fighting for the freedom, fighting for freedom from the tyranny of the Japanese. And that's really neat. There's also the ribbon is, well, you have the ribbon here, and you also have this as well, which I don't know what this signifies. I have to research it. But anyway, it's kind of neat. Let's put this right here. Yeah, it's really cool. So, moving along. I don't want to take too much of your time. So, the next thing actually ties in with all this. It's Japanese. And there's really not that much Japanese military or military memorabilia. There's a lot of German stuff and US stuff. I was looking at Russian. There's really not that much Russian. So I figured, I found this, and being the Japanese military memorabilia, it's kind of hard to come by. I thought I'd jump on it, and it was described as being authentic. It's actually a World War II Japanese Calvary horse gas mask bag. So this is what held the yeah, I think this is authentic. It has this lining. Oh, it even has a rope in here. Look at that. It has this lining that you can tell it's over time it's become hard, which tells me it is kind of old, even though it doesn't look that old on the outside. It's in pretty good condition. And you can see it has a symbol here, a Japanese letter, whatever that means. And on the inside, there's some Japanese writing as well. I wish I knew what that meant. But I don't know if you can see that. The 19 might be the 19th year after the rule of some emperor, just like the way they date the Nambu pistol. So if that's the case, then it is, in that era of World War II. So anyway, pretty neat. So put that aside. And I have one more. This is of U.S. origin. No, this goes with that. And this is actually a operations manual. It's a basic field manual. It's original. It's not a reproduction of the U.S. rifle caliber 30, M1903, 30th September 1943. So this is for the 1903, Springfield 1903. I don't have one yet, but I have the book now. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, that's pretty neat to have this. Gotta be careful. It's brittle. But I thought this would be kind of neat to add to the collection. You know, it's a lot of information in here. Boy, it's pretty extensive. Wow, that's pretty neat. So anyway, there you have it. The ammo cam, gas mask bag, the metal, the oak leaf, the garrison cap, and field manual. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I will post some pictures of these at the end of the video. Thank you and have a good night.